Have you ever thought about why we stake trees the way we do? Probably not. But let's be honest. We've cloned sheep, and the best we can come up with are T-posts and guy wires. They're bad for the tree as it matures, and dangerous to the unsuspecting, whether it's a neighborhood kid, puppy, or a landscape architect. So one day after this landscape architect and certified arborist lost a fight with a particularly nasty T-post, he decided to find a better way. Thus was born ArborStakes. Compared to traditional staking methods, ArborStakes' patented design makes them safer, cheaper, more effective, and far more aesthetically pleasing. Plus, they're better for the tree. ArborStakes stimulate new root growth, and they're 100% earth-friendly, so you don't need to worry about coming back for removal. Installing ArborStakes couldn't be much easier either. 1. Drive the wooden stakes through the root ball with a hammer. 2. Secure the stakes with ground stabilizers. 3. Saw off the excess. 4. Stand back and admire. So, the next time a tree needs staking, choose ArborStakes. Project benefits, the planet benefits, and you'll be a hero to puppies and neighborhood kids everywhere in the neighborhood. When it comes to stabilizing a newly planted tree, well, you might say, we nailed it. ArborStakes, the best tree stakes you'll never see.